What's up, YouTube? Justin here, back at it again with another short video. Today we're going to be doing some more paint on the Miata, and since it's a smaller panel piece, I'm going to be taking you step by step on what I'm doing and how it's coming along. Enjoy! Alright guys, so I'm going to be working on this piece here where you would install the hard top if you have one, but I don't have one, so I already took those two hard top panels off. I've got to take this trunk off so it's easier to work with, and then tape the soft top and everything around it off. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so for the NA Miatas, we got two 10 mils here, and then I've got to take this third brake light bulb out in order to get the trunk off. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera and get ready. Alright y'all, so trunk's over there and off. Went ahead and taped her off to where I needed to, just to prevent overspraying everything. Don't want to overspray on the soft top or anywhere else for right now. So I'm going to go ahead and sand this down with the orbital palm sander with 40 grit. I want to get this down to bare metal, complete metal. I don't want to see no primer, no red, no nothing. And then we'll go straight to gray automotive primer. Get back to you when it's to bare metal. Alright guys. Just got it all sanded down to bare metal. I'm going to go ahead and clean it off with some isopropyl alcohol, get it all cleaned up, smoothened out, and then we'll be on our way to automotive primer. Alright guys, so I got the primer down, and while I'm waiting for it to dry, and for the next step, I'm going to go have some lunch. So I'm going to go make some lunch, and I'll be right back when it's dry. Got the burrito all ready while I'm waiting for it to continue to dry. Alright guys, so since this is fast drying, I let it dry, and it's completely dry, but it's still a little rough in some areas, so we're going to go ahead and smoothen it out before we put on the red paint. For sanding down this primer, I've got 800 grit, and I'm just going to lightly go across it, smoothing it out as best as I can. Alright guys, now that I've got it all sanded down, used 800 and 1000 grit to get it nice and smooth, baby smooth, and I'm going to go ahead and spray on the red paint. Alright, so now I've got the red paint on, waiting for it to dry. Probably going to sand it down really gently with 3000 grit, and then maybe go over it again lightly with some more red. Or if it turns out good enough without the sandpaper, I'm going to go ahead and throw on the clear coat once it's dry. Okay guys, so I went ahead and put the clear coat on. She's still drying for a couple of hours, but we have some passing clouds coming, so I don't want to take the risk of leaving it out here and end up messing up the paint. So that's it for today's video. Alright guys, so obviously that's it for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you made it this far, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Peace out.